We are covering ACP 100 Zira Administrator. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. A question is, a member of the HR managers group established a filter and shared the subscription in the group members. The filter includes the following legitimate JQL expression. You can read the expression given. What issues are going to be covered by the subscription? Option A, only problems where the manager column contains the name of the user who built the filter. Option B, just problems where the manager field contains the group HR manager. Option C, just problems where the manager field contains the email recipient's name. Option D, every situation in which the person indicated in the manager column belongs to the HR managers group. Option E, every problem that is given to human resource manager. Correct answer is option D. Next one. Some of your project owners wants to open up their work to the internet general population. These tasks won't demand logging in. You might assist with this by granting anonymous readers read-only access to the project. Which two other element ought you to take into account when setting this up? Option A, anonymous users might view the names of other users. Option B, Zira allowed anonymous users to export all issues. Option C, licensed users may unintentionally leave anonymous comments without logging in. Option D, data could be indexed by internet search engines. Option E, a complete list of your project could be found by anonymous users. Option F, comments may be added by spam bots. Correct answer is option B and D. Next one. Your HR project involves the hire and fire issue kinds. Which two conditions can be satisfied by the modifying field configuration? Option A, a description field for the fire problem type should be set to termination by default. Option B, the employee name custom field must be required upon creation for both problem kinds and may never be empty. Option C, the field description for the due date field for the hire issue type should be first day of employment. Option D, once the issue are handled for the sort of issue, the resolution should be set. Option E, the assignee field for both issue type should be hidden when generating an issue but not when viewing ones. Option F, the priority field's default value for the fire problem should be the blocker. Correct answer is option D and E. Next one. A new project is established for a group. Users complain that the field of missing from one to their screen shortly after that. You confirm that the field should be there by looking at the screen setup in the administrative panel. Why are users unable to view the field? Option A, the screen updates were not made public. Option B, the screen wasn't assigned to the problem operation. Option C, the project or issue type are not included in the field context. Option E, the users are not authorized to see that field. Correct answer is option D. Next. You discover that the following two problem kinds are being used while cleaning up a Jira project. They appear to be extremely similar. If neither is required, you could change all assignment issues already present in the project to task issue and get rid of the assignment issue type. Which project configuration would you examine to determine whether it is required to maintain the two as distinct issue categories instead? Option A, issue security levels. Option B, field configuration. Option C, components. Option D, permissions. Option E, workflows. Option F, field context. Correct answer is option A, B and F. Next one. The Write project employs a technical writing crew. There is only one shared workflow for the project. They ask for a change in the process to better fit the team's method of operation. Their project's process should be altered from open to waiting inspiration in the beginning. You update the name of status in the workflow designer and publish your change after navigating to the workflows area of the determination. What are the two effects of this modification? Option A, before this change effect, the Write project's workflow plan must be published. Option B, the new status called awaiting inspiration will be added to Jira. Option C, until the post function for those transition are updated, transition to be awaiting inspiration status will not work. Option D, filters in gadgets and specifically reference to open status while stop working. Option E, in all workflows that use the open status, it will be changed to awaiting inspiration. Correct answer is option A and B. Next, the following conditions must be met before Beehive Bank can use Jira. Enforce the strictest security measure for user logins. Permit external users to create their own user login. Utilize internal Jira directory. Which two level of login security can you provide them with? Option A, select secure for login mode. Option B, demand a username with a variety of character. Option C, demand that the password not to be similar of the another use. Option D, set the minimum password length requirement. Option E, demand that the password is different enough from the username or email address. Correct answer is option A and D.